Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to track expenses as a sole proprietor. Let's get into the video. Tracking expenses is one of the most important habits a sole proprietor can develop. When you run a business on your own, every dollar matters. Proper expense tracking helps you understand your cash flow, stay organized for tax season, maximize deductions, and make smarter financial decisions. Without a system in place, it becomes easy to lose receipts, forget expenses, or mix personal and business spending. The good news is that tracking expenses does not have to be complicated. With a few simple steps and consistent habits, you can maintain clear financial records that support your business growth. Separate your business and personal finances. The first step to effective expense tracking is separating your personal and business finances. Many new sole proprietors make the mistake of using the same bank account or credit card for everything. This creates confusion when trying to identify which expenses belongs to the business. Opening a dedicated business checking account is a smart move. When all business income and expenses flow through one account, it becomes much easier to track and categorize spending. You should also consider using a business debit card or credit card for purchases related to your business. Separating finances not only improves organization but also makes tax preparation much smoother. Categorize your business expenses. Once your finances are separated, the next step is categorizing your expenses. Categories help you understand where your money is going and ensure you claim the correct deductions when filing taxes. Common expense categories for sole proprietors include office supplies, marketing and advertising, software and subscriptions, internet and phone services, travel and transportation, equipment and tools, professional services, for example, legal, accounting, consulting, home office expenses. By organizing expenses into those categories, you can quickly review spending patterns and identify areas where you might reduce costs. Keep every receipt and record. Receipts are proof of your business expenses, and they are essential if you ever face a tax audit. Make it a habit to save every receipt related to your business purchases. There are several ways to store receipts. Scan them and store them digitally. Use a receipt tracking app. Keep a label envelope or folder. Take photos of receipts with your phone. Digital storage is often the easiest solution because it prevents paper clutter and allows you to search for records quickly when needed. Use accounting software or expense tracking apps. Technology has made expense tracking much easier for small business owners. Instead of relying on spreadsheets or notebooks, many sole proprietors can use accounting software or mobile apps. These tools allow you to automatically import bank transactions, categorize expenses, track income and profits, generate financial reports, prepare records for tax filing. Some apps even allow you to photograph receipts and attach them directly to transactions. This keeps everything organized in one place. Using accounting software also helps reduce errors and saves time when preparing financial statements or working with a tax professional. Track expenses consistently. One of the biggest mistakes sole proprietors make is waiting until tax season to review the expenses. Trying to organize a year's worth of financial records at once can be overwhelming. Instead, set aside time weekly or monthly to review your transactions and categorize expenses. Regular tracking helps you stay on top of your finances and prevents mistakes from piling up. Consistency also allows you to catch unusual expenses or errors early. Monitor your cash flow. Tracking expenses is not just about taxes, it also helps you understand your business financial health. When you regularly monitor spending, you can see how much money your business is making and where it is being spent. Review your financial records helps answer important questions such as: are my expenses increasing? Which areas of the business cost the most? Am I spending too much on certain tools or services? Is my business profitable? Understanding your cash flow allows you to make smarter business decisions and plan for future growth. Track home office expenses carefully. Many sole proprietors work from home, which means they may qualify for a home office deduction. However, this deduction requires careful documentation. If you use part of your home exclusively for business, you may be able to deduct a portion of expense such as rent or mortgage interest, utilities, internet, home maintenance. You will need to calculate the percentage of your home used for business purposes and apply that percentage to eligible expenses. Keeping accurate records is essential to support this deduction. Record mileage and travel cost. If your business requires driving, mileage tracking is another important part of expense management. Many sole proprietors forget to record business trip, which can lead to missed deduction. Keep track of date and the trip, starting and ending locations, purpose of the trip, total miles driven. There are mobile apps that automatically track mileage using GPS, making this process much easier. Travel expenses such as lodging, airfare, and meals may also qualify as deductions when they are directly related to business activities. Review your financial reports. At least once a month, review basic financial reports such as your profit and loss statement. This report shows your total income and expenses and gives you a clear picture of your business performance. Regular financial reviews help you identify trends and adjust your spending if necessary. For example, if marketing expenses are increasing but sales are not, it may be time to adjust your strategy. Next thing to do is work with a tax professional. Even if you track your own expenses, working with a tax professional can provide valuable guidance. A tax advisor can help you identify deductions you may be missing and ensure your records are accurate. They can also help you plan for estimated tax payments and avoid surprises at tax time. In conclusion, I believe tracking expenses as a sole proprietor is essential for running a successful and organized business. By separating your finances, categorizing expenses, saving receipts, and using the right tools, you can build a system that keeps your records clear and manageable. The key is consistency. Small daily or weekly habits can prevent major stress during the tax season and give you a better understanding of your business finances. When you stay organized and proactive, you not only protect your business, but you also position yourself for long-term financial success. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.